Good evening. This is a quick video on the stock market. And do you have a reason to get excited just yet? Will we see a prolonged rally? I don't know. Maybe you know. Maybe no one knows. That's probably the right answer. But we will take a look at the technicals and see if there's a reason to get excited just yet. So let's dive into the charts. Here's the OMX Stockholm 30 index. And as you can see, I tweeted this when we were closing in on this candle already, that we are approaching major potential resistance. So after this sort of bounce, it would be natural to see some sort of pullback. So beginning to enter trades right here, especially if you're trading index, be careful, because I would not go long index whatsoever until we have closed a daily above the 2200 level on this index. Keep that in mind. We're also right at the golden pocket from this breakdown right here of this failed push to the upside. So keep that in mind. I'm not willing to go long right here. Wouldn't be surprised to see some bad news come out and give us a reason to pull back. Let's look at the S&P 500. This is looking way more strong. So yeah, I am expecting this to come up and test the golden pocket here and the, let's see what level this is. Even though I have glasses on, I still see really badly. Yeah, the 4586 level right here. So yeah, the 45, 46, 4,500, 4,600. That's where I will start to maybe scale my position if you've been long since this break right here. That's the S&P. I can see I have colored the support line right there. Yeah, that's for the divergence that we're playing out right now also. And as you can see, we also preceded the breakout on the RSI to the price action on the chart, which is a move I often play. And I think I told you in my video about my setups. Let's look at the US Tech 100, also looking strong. However, there's some the 100 and 200 daily EMAs are coming in right here. We can face resistance, be careful. However, the long-term target on these sort of breakouts are of course the beginning of the move. So that's the all-time high right here, close to it. But there's many levels to take out before then. So I would say that the S&P and Nasdaq looks better than the OMX Stockholm 30 index. But since it's facing major resistance right there, and there's potential major resistance right above these levels, I think it's a time to be cautious and not put on any new long positions. That would be just my thinking. This is not a recommendation, but that's what I'm doing right now. I'm also not shorting. So until we see, for example, a breakdown on lower levels right here on the index, I'm not shorting, but yeah, I'm careful. But this was a short update on the stock market. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And yeah, see you next time, and thank you for watching.